In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two methods to do this. The first method is if your PS5 is frozen. So if your PS5 is frozen or just not responding, just press and hold down on the power button on the front of the console and keep holding it down until you hear a second beep. And then from here, the console will completely shut down. Wait a few seconds, press the power button again, and turn it back on. This is a hard restart and can completely fix any temporary freezing issues. But if your PS5 is turning on normally and you just want to fully reset it, go to the top right corner and select the little settings gear icon just like so, and then scroll down till you see System and open that up. Select System Software, scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to see a reset option tab. Select this and then of course hit reset your console. It's going to give you like a little warning. Just hit reset to confirm and follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. You can also reset this in factory reset safe mode as well. And this kind of feel like your PS5 isn't booting normally, but you're going to have to make sure that your console is completely powered off, so turn it off fully and then press and hold down on the power button and keep holding it down again until you see the second beep. Connect your DualSense with a USB cable and press the PlayStation button on the controller and you're going to be in safe mode. We need to go to option 7 and reset PS5. Obviously, can't really demonstrate that here on a game capture right now, but confirm the reset and your console will now be factory reset. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. We could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does helps out. Let's know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.